Haka program penkubur yaki samla, Menteri Kena Kesorkar Pedeng, Badekmi Yakatanat External Affairs and Textile, Pabitra Margarita, Sam Yaki Shithi Thungkam, Shaki Samla Kibayok Kam Thamai, Haka Rozgar Mela, Kabala Penlong, State Convention Center Hashlong, Tungin Yakmi Yakani Kubur.
Kila dan baro ars pa nyungut kisamla thapkam nakaleng kibenta jonga thansha telam mingi kibalayo pedang gi shiti thongkam haka basis pa khandai phuingot kila rong haka Department of Post khalsan ngot haka tenarel but iwe ha NIT Meghalaya.
Rates of successful youth have assembled and they took the appointment later, and it's really I'm really proud and so happy to see that each and every candidate, their guardians and people in general also are appreciating the moves taken by the government led by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. It is unprecedented because at a single day, at the same time, more than 51,000 appointed letters are being distributed to the successful candidates, the youths, and moreover, I must say that these youths are so encouraged and empowered today, especially listening to the Honorable Prime Minister who addressed the youth, the successful candidates, as well as their guardian and the people in general.
Rozgar Mela kapan pausen nai ka jingkot jingmut ka sarkar manpen biangi kilat penyokam haka bahadu sanpoi hajar tali ke shithi thongkam lasam hasau pon riu tali ki jaka hakal lengki benda jongkari kisamla yokam ki bana ka jalla Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura bat Assam kilaya lum lang ban lek men halokani ke senjam ka bapen I ka jing phai khmat jong ka sarkar shaka thansha telam mingi kham hashwa Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ulai jingkran Mela lengba ka video conferencing da ka bapen scam shushu ya ka kular ban pentikna ba on amdan uno ban sadien ha ka jingai lenti ban penlong ya ka India ka ri ka borai ka bapar. Video report DD News Meghalaya.